Hello everyone. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Rehan. My ID number University 3224 118. Today I want to tell you about macroeconomics and microeconomics. Macroeconomics is the study of big picture that relates to countries, region, or organization, rather than to individuals and families. It analyzes economic principle related to us unemployment, inflation, industry, and government. As defined by Joseph Stiglitz, our confidence in macroeconomics is the ability to maintain employment, price stability, and sustain growth. Now let's talk small about microeconomics. It's all about how people, families, and business make everybody everyday choice what to buy, what to sell, and how price are set. So here's the thing. Macro and micro, they are not spared, they work together, like two sides of the same coin. So yeah, economic isn't just number or textbook, it's about how we live, how every choice. Thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope this video can help you understand about microeconomics and microeconomics. For your attention, I want to say thank you.